Welcome to Smart Stock Watch, your go-to channel for in-depth financial analysis. Today is May 13th, 2025, and we're diving into Loar Holdings' first quarter earnings report for 2025. Joining us is John, senior analyst from Smart Stock Watch. John, Loar Holdings has reported some impressive numbers this quarter. Can you give us a brief overview?
Absolutely. Loar Holdings has reported record results for Q1 2025, with net sales reaching $114.7 million, a 24.8% increase from the previous year. Their net income surged to $15.3 million, and the adjusted earnings per share came in at 20 cents, significantly beating the forecasted EPS of 13 cents.
Revenue and profitability overview. Let's start with the top line. Loar Holdings reported net sales of $114.7 million for Q1 2025, which is a 24.8% increase compared to last year. John, what factors contributed to this impressive growth?
The growth in net sales was driven by strong demand across Loar's end markets, including original equipment, commercial aftermarket, and defense. Each of these segments reported record sales for any quarter in the company's history. Additionally, the net income margin improved significantly to 13.4%, up from 2.4% in the previous year, highlighting their enhanced profitability.
And how did this translate into their earnings per share?
Loar Holdings reported an adjusted EPS of 20 cents, which is a substantial beat over the forecasted 13 cents. This was achieved through a combination of increased sales, improved margins, and effective cost management.
Operational efficiencies and future outlook. John, Loar Holdings also reported a record adjusted EBITDA of $43 million. What does this tell us about their operational efficiencies?
The adjusted EBITDA margin improved to 37.6%, up from 36.0% last year. This improvement is attributed to the execution of strategic value drivers and increased sales of higher-margin products. Additionally, their operating cash flow was robust at $28.4 million, underscoring their strong cash generation capabilities.
Looking ahead, how has Loar revised their outlook for the rest of 2025?
Loar has revised their full-year 2025 outlook upward, expecting net sales between $482 million and $490 million, and adjusted EPS between 71 and 76 cents. This reflects their confidence in sustained demand and operational execution throughout the year.
CFO Insights. What insights did the company's leadership provide regarding these results and future prospects?
CEO Dirkson Charles highlighted the excellent momentum from strong demand across their end markets, which set a record for sales in the quarter. CFO Glenn D'Alessandro emphasized the company's operational execution and cash flow generation, which led to the upward revision of their 2025 guidance.
It seems like the leadership is quite optimistic about the future.
Indeed, their statements reflect a strong belief in the company's strategic direction and market positioning, which bodes well for investors looking at Loar Holdings as a potential investment.
Key takeaways. In summary, Loar Holdings has delivered a stellar performance in Q1 2025 with record sales and earnings and an optimistic outlook for the rest of the year. John, any final thoughts on their investment prospects?
Loar Holdings is demonstrating strong growth and operational efficiency, making it an attractive option for investors. Their upward revision of the 2025 outlook further reinforces their potential for continued success.
Thank you, John, for your insights. And thank you to our viewers for tuning in. If you found this analysis helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to Smart Stock Watch. We'd love to hear your thoughts on Loar Holdings' performance in the comments below.